how to fix missing call history on Messenger. So if you want to fix missing call history on your Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that your Messenger doesn't have any updates, because if there are any updates, you need to just simply go and update it. Open up your Play Store, go with search, and from there you need to search for Messenger. After searching for your Messenger, you need to tap on it, and if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply tap and hold on to your Messenger and then go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then clear the cache. Even after clearing the cache, if you don't see the call history of your Messenger, then here on the bottom, as you can see, you will have chats, stories, notifications, and menu. Before, you may also have an option of call history, but now it's not available because with the newest updates, Messenger has removed the option of call history, and you won't be able to see the call history on your Messenger. It will be on your particular chat. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.